Alam niyo ba na itong client na 'to, tenant ko muna sa Madonna Residences bago naging homeowner? They're based in Singapore but they've decided to come home and stay for good here in the Philippines. First week of January, nag-move in muna sila sa Madonna as tenants. Gusto muna nilang ma-experience firsthand kung ano talaga ang feeling of living here in the community. Gusto nilang makita mismo yung vibe ng neighborhood, yung convenience na ang lapit ng lahat, and of course, makilala yung mga mababait na neighbors. And by the first week of March, they made a decision. Why not buy our own home? Super happy ako because they didn't just take my word for it. They lived in the community first, experienced it themselves, and eventually decided that Madonna was the place they wanted to call home. Alam nila kung gaano ka-convenient ang location, kung gaano ka-peaceful ang community, at kung ano ang feeling na dito talaga sila uuwi every day. And I'm really happy na yung experience nila as tenants gave them the confidence to finally say, this is the home we want to own. Yung unit na binili nila was RFO or ready for occupancy, kaya mabilis ang turnover. At heto na nga, ito na yung ating turnover day, so ito na ang house keys nila. And syempre, ang saya ko kasi nag-iwan pa ng review si client sa aking page. So if interested ka din, just message us.